Okay, the Klein bottle is a really interesting shape because it starts out just like the Mobius strip. Or sorry, just like not a Mobius strip, just like the cylinder. Okay? But instead of identifying the edges that going in the same direction, like we did with to make the donut. Remember we just folded them around and they matched? Now we fold them around with a twist. Okay? And now it becomes very hard to see how to do that. Let's go back to our silly putty. Where did the silly putty go?
Here.
Okay.
So we're going to get another cylinder
with a twist.
So when we fold it up, this is going around this way on this side, up. But this one we want to be going down. So we need to fold this around and then twist it somehow, but it's already a circle. So when I twist a circle, the arrow is always pointing in the same direction, right? So in order to twist this circle and make it match the other circle, what I actually have to do is come inside.
Inside and then
out again.
And then match it from the other way.
Wow.
Do you see that?
Yeah.
Pretty
tricky.
Pretty tricky. Unfold your Mobius strips. Okay. So when I see the arrows going up and down here, I have to bring it over and then twist it like this and then match it this way, coming from the same direction. I can't bring it over the top and match on the outside.
You have to go.
You see how the arrows are going the wrong way?
Yeah.
I have to bring it over, twist, and then match from the inside. You see that's what's happening on the Mobius, on the Klein bottle?
Inside.
It has to go on the inside to match. Because remember, these sides are already identified with each other.
You have to cut a slit here for the paper to go in.
Right, exactly right. You'd have to cut a slit for it to go in. And do you see the slit they had to cut here to make it go inside?
Yeah, right there.
So the interesting thing about the Klein bottle is it can't exist in 3 dimensions.
It has to be in 4.
This is a 2-dimensional surface. You can just make it out of a piece of paper. But it has to intersect itself in 2 dimensions or 3 dimensions. So you actually can only make it in 4 dimensions, which is really hard to think about. Okay. So now you can sort of see how the Klein bottle comes from a 2-dimensional piece of paper. Except you have to twist and then go inside to make those arrows match. Now, what do you think is the most difficult shape to understand? We've done almost all of them. There's one more thing we can do with our piece of paper.
Well, did we switch these arrows around?
Oh.